Hello friends, this is Jagdish Perk Associate. Today's topic is engineering materials. So in engineering materials, I'll be giving some details about pure nickel and nickel alloys. Okay, so before going to this video, please press the subscribe button of our channel, the Mechanical Engineers team, and also click the bell icon so that you will get the notifications for new videos. So let's begin. First, I will give some details about pure nickel. Pure nickel is a metal and the color of pure nickel is white. Pure nickel has good oxidation, which means when pure nickel is exposed to oxygen atmosphere, the surface of the pure nickel will not react with the oxygen. Therefore, the surface of the pure nickel will not get corroded. Pure nickel has good corrosion resistance, which means when pure nickel is exposed to acidic solution, caustic soda, halogen gas, alkaline solution, etc., the surface of the pure nickel will not get rust, which means the pure nickel will not react with acidic solution, caustic soda, halogen gas, etc. Okay, so that's why the surface of the pure nickel will not get rust. Okay. Pure nickel has good electrical properties, which means pure nickel is a good conductor of electricity. Pure nickel has good magnetic properties, which means pure nickel can be used as magnet. To be precise, the earth core, which consists of magnetic field, is made up of iron and nickel. As you go deeper into the earth core, the temperature of the earth core will be increasing. Therefore, the earth core, which consists of iron and nickel, will be very hot and dense, due to which the temperature of the earth core consists of iron and nickel will encourage the iron and nickel to develop magnetic field. And this magnetic field is very important to our earth, because this magnetic field will block dangerous radiations. Okay. Pure nickel has good magnetostrict properties, which means pure nickel can change its shape or dimension under the influence of magnetic field. Okay, so these are some details about pure nickel. Now I will give some details about nickel alloys. Okay, first of all, what do you mean by nickel alloy? When pure nickel metal and other metal is mixed, the product obtained will be an alloy. If the newly obtained alloy consists of nickel as the major composition, then these kind of alloys will be called as nickel alloy. Nickel alloys has good corrosion resistance. That is, when nickel alloys are exposed to caustic soda, alkaline solution, acidic solutions, or halogen gas, etc., the surface of the nickel alloys will not get rust. Nickel alloys has high strength at high temperatures, which means nickel-based alloys have good strength up to a temperature of 1093.33 degrees Celsius. After 1093.33 degrees Celsius, the nickel-based alloys will change its phase, that is, from solid to liquid. Nickel alloys are strong, tough, and ductile at cryogenic temperature. First of all, what do you mean by cryogenic temperature? The simple definition is the temperature values will be very low, even below 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, so at cold conditions, the nickel alloys will be very strong, tough, and ductile. Most of the wrought nickel alloys can be hot and cold worked, machined and welded successfully, which means the shape or dimensions of wrought nickel alloys can be changed by using the process like hot working process, cold working process, machining process, and welding process. Highly alloyed nickel compound and forged nickel based superalloys cannot be hot worked or cold worked or machined or welded. Okay. Nickel metals and nickel alloys are categorized into 5 groups. First, pure nickel and high nickel alloy. In high nickel alloy, the alloy is composed of 94% of nickel. Second, nickel molybdenum and nickel molybdenum chromium superalloys. These alloys has the property of good corrosion resistance. They can withstand high temperature. They have high strength. Okay. So these alloys will be used in corrosive environment and high temperature environment. Third, nickel molybdenum chromium copper alloys. These alloys have good corrosion resistance. Therefore, these alloys will be used in corrosive environment. Fourth, nickel copper alloys, which is also known as monel metal. and these alloys will be used in corrosive environment because these alloys have good corrosion resistance. Fifth, nickel chromium and nickel chromium iron super alloys. At high temperatures, these alloys has the property of to withstand high strength and also maintain good corrosion resistance. So these are the details about pure nickel metal and nickel alloys. So this brings an end to the explanation part of this video. I hope you all would have understood. If any doubts are there, please do comment in comment box, and remember to like, share and comment on our videos. Thank you friends.